Welcome to the Grace Life. In today's project, I decided to go ahead and change out my Easter flower basket and let's just introduce spring in the air. So let me show you what we'll be using. So let's jump right into the project. So as far as the florals goes, I want to show you. I did decide to go all white this year. I am trying to make a basket, but I am trying to make it so that I can keep it, not just for the spring. Okay, so we're going to be using some rose mesh. I am going to use some bling in this, and I am going to be using this wooden flower, and I went ahead and I stained this with the antique wax from Waverly. So we'll be using that. This flower right here, it came from the bows at the Dollar Tree also, and there were the burlap bows that came in colors, and this one happened to be white with the gemstone in the center. We will be using the ribbon, the satin ribbon in the white, so we'll be using that. Everything I'm using to create this project is down in the description box below. So let's jump into the project. First we're going to have to take this apart. Okay, so this was my Easter basket. Isn't that pretty, guys? So we're going to take it apart, and I believe we can use some of this stuff. So here's my bunny. I'm just going to move this stuff over to the side. So here's my chick, and I did put a gem on the chick. So I made these picks for my basket. So these is a smaller version of this large wooden flower. So we are going to be using these to make our arrangement. And then this big Easter egg, we're not going to be using that, so I'm just going to put that aside. And then we did use these flowers, but they don't look summery, so we're not going to be using these. Okay, so I'm going to put those aside. So this is what we're left with, guys. So this tin pot we got at the Dollar Tree also, and then inside, of course, you have the foam, and then you also have the moss on top. So we're going to put that aside here for a second. What I would like to do is decorate this flower first, so let's start with that. I thought I would place this white burlap bow with this gemstone in the center, right in the center of this flower. So this is what that's going to look like, but I'll show you after that's done. Okay, so here's a quick peek at that. And then I am going to decorate like around it, and I'm going to be using these gems, guys. I got this at Walmart, and I think I'm going to be using them. They're the iridescent gems in the large. So I think I'm going to use that. Now they do have an adhesive in the back, but it's not that strong. Okay guys, so let me show you what that looks like so far. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Okay, so not really sure if I want to do anything else to this. What I am going to do is, yes, I am going to use the rose mesh. I did get this rose mesh from Amazon, and it's in the silver, and in between each one of these petals I'm going to put one of these rose mesh. Okay, so let me just show you real quick what that looks like. Isn't that beautiful, guys? So we're going to stop here as far as that. I am going to turn this around, and we're going to put 2 skewers in the back, and then we're going to set it aside and start working on the petals. Lay those two together. Push down. Just be careful, guys. Okay, now in the center of each petal, some of them is going to get the rose mesh, and some of them is going to get the large gemstones. So I'm only going to do a few of the larger ones because I did have them in different sizes. So we'll do the little ones with the rose mesh and the bigger ones with the gems. Okay. So that's what these 3 look like, guys. Let me just grab them real quick. That's what these 3 look like. Okay, so we'll place those over here on the side, and then we'll put the 3 larger gems on the taller ones. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. Isn't that beautiful, guys? What I would like to do is put one of those gems, those large iridescent gems, right in the center of that one. Or you know what, since the rose mesh is right here, I'll just put one of the rose mesh in the center of that bow. Okay guys, and now this is what we have. Isn't that beautiful? I'm absolutely loving that rose mesh. I hope that glare you can see. All right, yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, so now we have that. We have the flowers ready. We have our little petals ready, and this should be dry. So let's go ahead and start putting this together. Okay. And that's what that looks like, guys. Isn't that pretty? I hope you can see that. All right, so now we can go ahead and put this together. So I'm gonna start out with the biggest piece, which is the flower. So the flower is gonna go right in the center. Okay, it's not pretty. I'm absolutely loving that glam, guys. And we're gonna go ahead and put the flowers in first before we put in the wooden petals. So we have 3 of the sunflowers, okay, but we're going to start out with 2. If we need any more, we can go and get some. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start out on one end with the sunflowers, one on this side. Now what I like to do is put one on the back of this flower. Okay. All right. And I like to decorate the back so that from whatever direction you're looking at this, it looks beautiful. Okay. I don't want it to look hollow in the back. So now we're going to work with, I believe these are the hot bushes. So we're going to put one of the hot bushes here, one of the hot bushes here. Okay, guys. See how that looks so far? I'm going to raise this flower just a little bit. Okay. Now, I'm going to place this flower here, which I believe this is the bell bush. I'm going to place this in the back right here. Guys, I think this looks, I don't think the camera's doing this justice, guys. Let me see if I can bring it up closer. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? What I may do is bring the wooden flower up to the front. I just don't want to take away from the flowers. I guess we can try that now before we continue. So, let's try that. Okay. That looks so pretty. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and start putting in the wooden flowers. We're going to start out with the tall ones, and I only have 3. So we're going to do, let's say, we're going to do one right here. We're going to do one right here. Okay. We're going to do one right here in the center. Then we're going to do the small ones. So we're going to do one right here, I would say. Okay, and I don't think the front really needs any more. So I think I'm going to place this one in the back. That one will go right here. Alright. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I don't think the camera's doing this any justice. Look at that. And so this doesn't have to be just a spring bouquet or, bouquet. this could be an all spring and summer, just getting into the fall bouquet. Again, I'm loving the wooden flowers, and I'm loving how we have some bling in there and it's all white. I'm really loving that. So this would go really nice with my decor. So guys, everything I used to make this craft is down in the description box below. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the video. Share the video if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.